I'm out fishing today with my buddy Anthony. We just started. No fish yet. You get one? Nice. Bring him over to me. It's okay, it happens. Keep going. Did it even make it all the way down to the shade, or was it still right here? Yeah, that's good. There might be fish hiding the whole way down. That was a good medium sizer. He wasn't a little dinker. That's a perfect retrieve speed you're doing right there. See how it's cruising the bottom but not touching? That's good. Anthony hooked a fish. I was slacking and lacking on my net duties. Busy running my mouth. Good throw. Oh, do you see that fish go after it? He swiped at it and he missed. Yeah, you got the game, dude. That's a good start. So this whole run from here all the way down to like down there, there's fish all along this. Good throw. That's right where I caught that giant brown trout, where you just threw it. I'm gonna throw one or two a little smidge further down. Come here. So when you throw downstream too, you don't need to retrieve as fast as upstream. When you throw upstream, you got to reel in a lot quicker. You probably can feel it, the resistance on the lure. Let's walk down a little bit more. My dude down here, creeping down to the deep. We are out looking for trout, yo. I have actually not caught a fish yet. I don't know how. We're gonna change that up in a minute. Fish these rocks over here. Hooked a little rainbow. I don't know why I didn't turn the GoPro on while I was reeling it in, but I didn't. He is triple hooked. This is going to be a job for the pliers. We don't get anything in 10 minutes, we're moving on. I know, I've been fishing this hole a shit ton the last couple weeks. I might have just fished it out for a minute. Have you been throwing into that shade in front of those raspberry bushes over there? Yeah. If not, try to get a couple out there. Just don't go too far. Getting your line out of those thorns will be hard. How big was it?
Little guy.
Little guy? That's cool though. There's big fish. If there's little fish, there's big fish. Try to drag it back where you think he might have gone. Give him a second crack at it. There's one. Got him. That's a nice fish. I might need help with the netting. Oh no, I don't. Yep. So I'm just kind of letting him chill for a minute. Not trying to excite him. So I get the net ready. I got my net ready. I'm gonna keep him low. He's not really fighting at all. It's good. Oh damn. It's bigger than I thought. Yeah, bro. Take a look at this guy. Now it's filming. Got my buddy Anthony with me today. He's caught a really nice fish. I'm gonna hold him up. I normally can't do this because I don't have anybody to help me. And let's let him go. Let's keep rolling. Okay. You do me a favor, I'm gonna there he goes. Thank you, bro.
Let's catch your cousin.
Let's catch his big brother, his little sister, his granddaddy, his pappy's granddaddy. Anthony is the first fisherman I've ever seen to hook a mossy tennis ball from the bottom of a waterfall. This is an epic catch, my friend. How do you feel?
Nice.
This is what they call
Spectacular.
an urban tennis fish. Watch an Anthony fish. Just don't hook me either, please. Watch an Anthony hook fish this little run right here. Whoa. You got one? Is that a fish? Looks like a fish. Yeah? That was quick. Bring him to me. Get reeling. Got him. $1,000, Val. You owe me $1,000. Remember the bet?
Yeah.
Remember the bet?
Good bet.
The bet. Tell him what the bet was.
$1,000.
Here he is.
Man, look at that guy.
Put your pole down there. Your tip down so we can get him back in the water for a minute. Yeah. Bring him to me. Same spot as last time. Reel in a little more, bud. He's not going to follow. He's not going to just come over here unless you
Like falling off this rock.
Boom! Bigger fish. This guy you could eat. Check him out. I think he's double hooked. Look at you, bro. Turning you into a fisherman. That's gonna take a sec. Let's get him back in the water again for a minute. Can you let a little line out? Or put the tip down there? Actually, maybe, yeah, keep letting line out. It's just easier that way. This is a nice fish, bud.
That's a good one.
Yep. This is a perfect, like, pan-sized fish for one. You want the pliers?
Yeah.
Just don't drop them in the drink. I thought you were snagged again. Jeez, look at you. Pops another fish out of here. So I'm gonna just rebound for him again for a minute and I'll rest. All right.
That's the spot.
Get that out there. Hold him up and show us what you got here. I want to see him again. Do a two-hander, one in the front and one in the back. This was just gonna slip right up. There he is. Nice fish, dude. All right, let's send him on his way. So Anthony and I just fished this spot. He caught a couple fish. Time to go down there and actually see what is down there. underneath him. There you go. Yeah. Yeah, man. Is it a rainbow again?
Yeah.
No brown trout yet today. Oh yeah, he's a good size. Very nice fish. It's a beaut. It's a beaut, man. Now we got him hooked. Triple hooked. Bummer. I'll deal with this shit. I'll keep fishing. Oh, you know what? Why don't you use my other pole? All right. It's time to release this guy. He's a super nice fish, man. I'm always stoked to catch fish like this. But at some point, they got to go back to where they came from, so let's do it. Oh, look at right here. It's going the wrong way. Check this out. Coming over to you. You having fun, my friend? You gonna dive it? I'll help you get your snag out, and then I kind of want to dive it and film as well. Get the snag out? Yeah. I'll stand over here and wiggle your rod for you. Oh, stab a wiggler guy. Ow!
Wiggle my rod, dude.
There he goes.
Wiggle it.
You gotta wiggle your own rod. Oh, he's starting low and you're gonna swim against the current. This should be good. I like it. It's got a lot of moss on the line. See how long it takes him swimming that, fighting that current. He's not making any progress. You gotta start higher up, dude. You're fighting a losing battle. Oh, he's battling back. Here he goes. It's like one of those endless swimming pools. A lot of people pay to have these things installed in their house. You got one naturally made. There you go. Yeah, you can. You might have to go upriver and come swim down to it. I'm gonna swing it over to you this way more. Hey, where are you hooked?
You got the foot.
In the okay, not in the skin, right?
Yeah.
Anthony's foot has been hooked.
Reel me in.
I'm trying. I don't want to reel you in. Reel yourself in, damn it.
Here's my foot.
This is a new one too. Oh shit.
Look at this beautiful red belly.
Don't step on the lure and smash the hooks.
Bro.
I don't care about your foot. You keep that lure in pristine condition.